Why scared? Why shouting? Why shouting? Why shouting? Why shouting? Tell me. Tell me. Why are you shouting? Tell me. Why are you shouting? He pooped.
You might see he poo in the video.
You watch what do you want to watch? Yeah, don't
Who you said Ben and
Ben and Holly.
Holly.
Okay.
Ben and Holly.
You saw somebody? Wait.
That one is Speedy Gonzalez, his name.
How's your day of sleeping? Is it good? How's your day of sleeping? Did you just say something?
I
Did
said
you say no?
Yeah.
What? No. Ah!
Bad Speed. Naughty. Naughty Speed.
He's a boy. He's of
kid.
course a boy.
You. Shit. Oh, he's coming to me.
Because he just saw squitches. Here, wait. See, he wants squitches. He learned some tricks
Come
from
here.
the other
Come here.
birds.
Speed likes
Come on. Here, boy.
Oh,
Sit down here. Kuya, excuse me. Sit down here.
Look at this cute little birdie.
Uy, sit down ba dyan?
Hey, look at the macarena. Look at you. Come here. Good boy. Who owns some squitches? You are. Here, you own some squitches.
You want
Ah.
purchase?
Bump his own butt. Bump his own butt.
Scratches?
Oh my.
You didn't tell Kitty that there's a bird.
Wait a second. Kitty's down there. Din, din, din. I'm joking.
Maya, what do you want to watch?
I touch him. Ben and Holly. Little Kingdom.
Hey, he's gonna fly to you, Maya. And now he's on top.
Can you let him fly to
Butt
me?
cheek.
Can you let him fly to me?
His butt cheek is
Can you
showing.
let him fly to me?
No. His butt cheek. His butt cheek.
Wait, I'm going to stand up to get on it. High speed. Kuya,
Yes?
get Speedy Gonzalez.
Because you're tall. And he likes tall stuff. Wait.
Let me go down.
Jump. Remember jump.
Jump up down.
No, jump in. Don't jump in the top.
Stop.
Let him go in my head, I mean.
That's
Go to my
me.
head, Speedy Gonzalez.
Up.
Go to my head, Speedy Gonzalez.
Speedy is a Gonzalez. I mean, dinosaur.
Birdie.
Wait. Step up here. I'm gonna. Oh, hello.
Yeah, wait.
Hey, you're not allowed to poop on there. How about in Maya's butt cheek, okay?
Kuya, stop it.
Shut. Gonna go check on my friends for a bit. And yeah, wait. I'm back. I'm back. 5 minutes.
Maya.
1 minute. Oh!
Maya, you choose this one.
How do you know I'm here? I just want to bed. Here you go. Back to the cage.
I
Back here, okay?
Wait.
Lol.
Why are my ponytail?
Ponytail, what?
The YouTube here.
Let's check when I leave.
You do what?
Wait.
You do the password like this.
What happens when I leave?
Wait, baby. Aziz.
Alright, good. I think it's almost finished the video. 1 minute left.
My password like.
Alright, let's go check out.
Maya.
I speed, I'm back. See? Lol.
Wow, that's
Alright. Bye guys. See you later, guys. And this. Goodbye.
password.
Wait, it'll end in any second. It'll end in any